Yo, what's up everyone, it's your boy here, Abdul from Tricycle. On this video guys of today, I gotta explain about electrical bike. You all know that electrical bike, they use charge, you charge the bike and you're good to go and you get those kind of ranges. So I had to see in town a real electrical bike. So this is my first time seeing an electrical bike. I always saw on kind of like Tesla how they're doing like electrical cars. I just see in pictures and videos, but in this time I had to see it and I had to go and take a video of it. So this is an electrical bike which gives you a kind of range which is a good range. So it's a like it goes like 500 and something. Like I never got those much brief because the guy was like he was on rush, so I just had to see the electrical bike and I just told him, bro, I just need to take a video so that I can show everyone what's up with the bike. So this is a great bike. I find it's worth it because compared to the bike which they're using petroleum and they are using oil and many more kind of stuff, but I find the electrical bike is something which is great because it gives you a silent mode which you have never heard of it. So I heard the way he started the bike, I saw it, sorry, no, I saw it, then he started the bike. After he did an ignition on the bike just started and I was expecting like something like but there was none. I never heard about that, and it was just silent. It's just the same as the way Tesla cars works. They are never having those kind of vroom, 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 those kind of ignition. They're not there, but I find it's kind of worth it because you know when you're in town and there's a bunch of people there and talking like this way, yeah, you need to cool down and those kind of stuff. Like you're having a bike or an electrical car should help the silence. Not everybody wants vroom, those kind of stuff. Nobody like is finding them it's worth it because it's noisy and a bunch of people in town. Some people are sick, some people are this way and that way, but yeah, that in terms of perspective. So I find it's kind of worth it. So electrical bike I think is a way to go and I think it's a good change. I saw it in my country. So I'm living in Tanzania so far. It's a good kind of my country. So in this kind of stuff I saw it and I think it's a game changer. And I asked the dude, where did you get it, bro? He told me that I just bought it online. So I had to check it out on the website and I had to know what type of brand is it so as I can just pay for it. So I think it's the first one, or if it's not the first one, perhaps there are other ones, but I find it's worth it because having an electrical bike saves you a lot of money, but there is a risk on electrical bike. Sometimes the voltage which you charge on the electrical bike may expand and boom, it shuts down your electrical bike. Or sometimes you just charge it and you don't get that much juice on it, so you can go in a far away miles. So I find electrical bike are good to go. So in this kind of game changer of electrical bike, like we have Tesla, we have many brands right now that are changing the aspects of cars and they're putting electrical. I find it's worth it because saving money is much better than using much money. Yeah, like seriously guys, spending a lot of money is like this and you say like, oh my, I spend a lot of money on this ride. Yes, and I have oil, spending a lot of money on the oil. It's like, oh. But if you purchase a good car which is having an electrical bike, well, it's a thumbs up car. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. And if you didn't watch my last video about Alcatel, then I'll leave a link down below so you can go and check it out. That's an Alcatel K6 smartphone. It does marvelous. So thank you guys for watching, and if you didn't subscribe to my channel, well, show your boy some love by subscribing and I'll be appreciating it a lot and a lot and a lot because it will be helping us to go and hit 600 subscribers. So thank you guys for watching and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Peace.